Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some money, some bucks. So first of all, you can recycle aluminum cans, cardboard, glass, and bottles, water bottles. So I do water bottles and aluminum cans now, but I used to do only aluminum cans, but now I do plastic bottles and aluminum cans. So next part is you can sell stuff like a garage sale. Like maybe like a smartwatch. If you don't need a smartwatch anymore, you can sell that. Books, clothes, stuff like that. Third of all, I don't think you should do this, but sell candy at your school. I don't do this because you can get in big trouble. So yeah. And then I don't know. I don't keep count, but I think it's the fourth. You can play a game with your parents or your family, and you can bet money. Yeah. Alright. So next of all, I'm trying to think of some. Oh yeah, you can sell cookies, like a lemonade stand, kind of like a lemonade stand. You can sell cookies, cakes, tea, lemonade, stuff like that. And then last of all, last one, guys, is the last one. You can tell people. Well, not tell people. You can sell stuff, like go to people's houses and ask them if they want to buy the item. Let's say if they want to buy this headphones for like 10, 15, 20 bucks. Say yes. They say yes. Then they'll give you the 20 bucks. And then, yeah. So make sure to like and subscribe to join the comics fan. If you don't know Roblox, get it. Share with a friend. And I will see you later, everyone. Goodbye.